How to boost up your internet speed on a laptop. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily boost up your speed on your laptop. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up your settings menu. So you need to make sure that you are connected to a network, whether it's via Ethernet or Wi-Fi. So what I'll do is go to the search icon and search for control panel. And then make sure that you select the view by as large icons or small icons. Then you need to find network and sharing. Go ahead and click on it. Then once you do that, you should be able to go to network and internet. Once you are inside here, all you have to do is find change adapter settings, and then select your internet connection. Right click on it and go to properties. Now from there, you need to go to IPv4 and click on properties again. Now this time, you need to go ahead and select the DNS servers. So if it's selected to DNS address automatically, you need to select the following DNS servers. You can either use Google's or Cloudflare's DNS service. So for Google, it's 8.8.8.8, and on the alternate IP, you can use, so let me just go over here. So on the alternate DNS server, you can do 8.8.4.4 and then click on OK. This one is for Google, and for Cloudflare, you can do the one I was doing previously, that is 1.1.1.1. I'll just remove the 8 from here, and right below here on the alternate, you can do 1.0.0.1 and then tap on OK. And once that is done, you can close everything out. Then you need to change your power plan settings. Go to control panel again and select the view by as large icons. Now this time go to power options and then click on change plan settings. Go to change advanced power settings, and then from here you can find the power saving mode. Expand the option for wireless adapter settings and go to power saving mode. Now make sure that on battery it's medium power saving, and while plugged in, make sure they selected to maximum performance. If you want the maximum performance while on battery as well, you can do that, and then click on apply and then OK. And finally, you can go over to your device manager. So go ahead and open device manager over here and hit enter. Once your device manager opens up, go ahead and open it up and find your network adapters. Right click on it and try to disable the network adapter once. Once you disable it, click on yes and then re-enable it back again. Restart your PC, and after doing that, your Wi-Fi speed should boost up significantly. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.